Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP, JPY and many more. So in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of Australian dollar, Canadian dollar for 17th March 2021. So this analysis is for 17th March. Tomorrow I'll be coming back again with the analysis for 18th March. Okay, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So we can see that right now market is trading at 0.9645 current market price. Okay, CMP is 9645, and we can see that market is in downtrend and market did not respect this line. Okay, and right now if I zoom out the chart also, and you can also check, there is no good support available for the market as of now. Okay. So what should be a strategy then? So if you see this portion, okay, then there is no doubt that market is in severe downtrend. Okay, so in a market like this, our strategy is simple, or our strategy should be simple. Look for the area of value and then short the market. Okay, here uh wait, let me change this moving average to 50 moving average. Okay, this is the night one. I do not use the night moving average. I prefer to use 50 moving average. Okay, lag 50. Okay. Okay, now we have the 50 moving average, my favorite. Anyways, so our strategy should be simple. Okay, wait for the market, okay, to go up and hit the 50 moving average. Okay, wait for the hit the 50 moving average. So 50 moving average is the first resistance for us. Okay, so here in the R1 I'll be mentioning 50 MA. Okay, 50 MA is the resistance 1. So when market will be going up and hit the 50 moving average, then just observe how the price is reacting. Okay, in case you see that price is struggling near the 50 moving average, okay, and you get candlestick pattern like this, or like price rejection from above, or a big red candle like this, then it will be clear to us that the market is still in downtrend and 50 moving average is still a valid resistance for the market. Okay, in that case you can short the market at the 50 moving average. Okay, this is the strategy number one. Second strategy that you can follow is, right now you can see that stochastic RSI is here. Okay, so wait for the stochastic RSI to go to the overbought zone. So when stochastic RSI will be in overbought zone, just observe where the price is. Just look for the position of the price. If you see that stochastic RSI is in overbought zone and the price is below the 50 moving average, okay, it is somewhere around here, here. It is below the 50 moving average, then you can short the market. Okay, so these are the two strategies that you can follow for Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. The first is, wait for the price to go to the 50 moving average, let it hit the 50 moving average. If it bounces off from there with price rejection, sell it. Second strategy is, wait for the stochastic RSI to go to the overbought zone. Okay, when it will be in overbought zone, look for the position of the price. So when the market will be reversing from the overbought zone, short the market if it is trading below the 50 moving average. Simple two strategies that you can follow for Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay, for 17th March 2021. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do subscribe to my channel and also check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Good luck.